At number 5. Camera presents an immersive footage of you and your world. This action camera can combine 4K 30 video recording, integrated touchscreen and up to 2 hours of battery life. Built with the new generation Ambarella A9C75 chip, Sony IMX377 image sensor, and 7 layers of all-glass lenses, it records 4K/30 FPS at 60 MB/s, 4x the quality of 1080p. Featured with an impact-resistant Gorilla Glass 2.19 inches LCD touchscreen, you can intuitively shoot and preview with the touch of a finger. Yi use the world's leading rechargeable 1200 mAh high-voltage 4.4 volts lithium-ion battery to record up to 120 minutes of 4K/30 FPS video with a single charge. Innovative heat management system helps release heat quickly to reduce overheating while recording at high resolution. Yi 4K's all-in-one and impact resistance design fits in your pocket and is ready for anything. With new colors and a high-quality finish, it is not only a camera for shooting amazing photos/videos, but also the fashion accessory you've been waiting for. Records high-resolution videos at 4K 30/1080p 120/720p 240 and capture 12M photos using our selection of photo and video modes including time-lapse, slow motion, timer, and burst. Yi 4K action camera is the camera with the most advanced technology to provide maximum fidelity, versatility, and ease of use. Customized with a 330p high-resolution and high-sensitivity Retina touchscreen for an intuitive experience. 2.19 inches of Gorilla Glass to resist scratches and daily impact. Viewable from a 160 degrees angle. You won't miss the perfect shot with the 640 by 360 widescreen for quick and easy previewing and shooting. Designed with rechargeable 1200 mAh high-voltage 4.4 volts lithium-ion battery from Amperex Technology. Yi 4K stands by you with up to 8 hours of standby time and can record 4K/30 FPS video for up to 120 minutes with a single charge. Built with the new generation Ambarella A9C75 chip, Sony IMX377 image sensor, and 7 layers of all-glass. Yi 4K action camera support first-class encoding and delivers 3840 by 2160 ultra-clear 4K video resolution and 12M pixel photo even in poor lighting conditions. Quick and convenient video editing, image/video filters, and music options. Yi Camera app allows you not just shoot and edit epic videos, but share them on social media instantly. It is simple enough for beginners to use, but designed for professional output. You'll never have to struggle with a computer again. With telecommunication semiconductor solution BCM43340, it supports 802.11a/b/g/n2.4g/5 GHz and anti-interference technology. Download at speeds up to 30 megabits per second and have more time to shoot, edit, and share. Built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, with 3-axis gyroscope and 3-axis accelerometer detects position and motion changes. When the camera tilts, moves, shakes or experiences impact, the sensors uses image cross-border compensation algorithm to compensate the change and produce stable videos. At number 4. Pro-style video with unbreakable stabilization or immersive 360 footage. And in-camera stitching makes it easy to offload and edit your 360 content. Tap through 4 lenses to nail any shot. Narrow, distortion-free linear, wide and max super view are widest view yet. Max Hyper Smooth delivers the smoothest video ever from a GoPro plus game-changing horizon leveling, when you want it. With the Goro app, easily transform mind-bending 360 footage into traditional videos and photos. Playback, edit and share all from your phone. Classic hero style skills. Spherical capture wizardry. Unbreakable stabilization. Make way for Max, the most creative GoPro ever. Capture traditional GoPro video and photos or shoot 360 footage of everything around you. Snap a panoramic shot without having to pan, just point and click. Choose a digital lens to capture your footage exactly how you imagine it. And with 6 mics on board, you get immersive 360 audio and the best sound we've ever delivered. 3 cameras in one. Maximize your creative freedom. With Max you can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Vlog to the max with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. Max gives you unbreakable stabilization by using 360 capture as the ultimate buffer. Plus, you get in-camera horizon leveling. In hero mode, game-changing horizon leveling gives you that silky smooth cinematic look whether you're getting sideways, flipping through the air or chasing your kids. Pano without the pan. Take incredible 270 degrees distortion-free panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon. Plus, capture motion shots and epic selfies. Premium 360 plus stereo audio, bump it. 6 mics capture true-to-life 360 audio and deliver the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro. Directional audio in hero mode lets you prioritize sound from either side of the camera, no matter which lens you're using, perfect for vlogging. Choose from 4 digital lenses in hero mode to get the shot, capture video and photos in narrow, linear, wide and max super view or widest view yet. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos, in hero mode. Time warp automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting, slow down the effect to real time, savoring interesting moments and then tap to speed it back up. At number 3. World from behind a lens or be the star of the show, Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. After years of providing advanced, reliable stabilization technology to filmmakers around the globe, DJI has gone one step further. Rocksteady combines ICE with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. Dramatically enhance the dynamic range of your footage when recording with HDR video. This shooting mode delivers natural transitions between light and dark areas, capturing rich details that are often lost in environments with complex lighting. Capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 fps. For simplified use and upgraded efficiency, custom mode lets you store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes and exposure settings. The quick switch button ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. It has multiple capabilities including options that let you flip between the front and back screen, change modes, and select custom settings. Snapshot means you'll never miss a moment of the action. Press the shutter button to power on and begin recording in under 2 seconds. Pressing the shutter button once when the camera is in sleep mode or powered off engages preset shooting modes. 5 voice commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortless. Sporting a watertight seal and a hydrophobic coating on the back touchscreen, Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. The lens features 3 aspherical layers that effectively reduces glare and distortion, delivering crystal clear image even in direct sunlight. A protective, anti-fingerprint coating on the lens filter cap repels oil, water, dirt, and other small particles, enabling you to continue filming, even when conditions and terrain get tough. Versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environments with temperatures as low as 10 C. Featuring a 16% increase in efficiency, this carefully designed heat transfer system allows generated heat to be quickly dissipated, making it possible to shoot consistently for long periods of time without worry. At number 2. Hiking steep mountain trails. Backpacking through a desert canyon. Skiing in the wilderness. The Tough TG6 is ready for adventure. It's built to endure all the extreme environments you love exploring. You can drop it, step on it, go deep underwater or out into a freezing blizzard. It just keeps on shooting awesome stills and video. Packed with pro features, you'll nail difficult shots, even in low light. Shoot intricately detailed macro photos and unique shots underwater with vivid color. The lightweight, compact Tough TG6, engineered to survive the world's toughest places. This is my first TG series camera. I am coming from a DSLR, which doesn't play nice with my kayak on a number of levels. I bought this camera as a go anywhere do anything camera, and to my surprise this is exactly what it is. It gives me some of the features of my DSLR, which is nice, but I kept running into the limits of the hardware. Still, most of the time I was able to get what I want. I was able to get some nice bokeh, though I wouldn't want to use this for portraits. Maybe with the teleconverter it would become a passable portrait camera, I don't know. I used it for landscapes, lots of landscapes, and it worked pretty well for that. I see some color bleeding and some vignette, but I wouldn't call those problematic. The lens is the equivalent of a standard zoom, so no bird watching with this thing, and I doubt the teleconverter can do a whole lot to change that. I had a chance to play with the fisheye adapter for about an hour and it gave me just a slightly wider angle overall, but nothing I would call a must-have. This camera is amazing for macro photography, though. My few attempts at it all turned out stunning. Waterproof, 50 feet, 15 meter, dust-proof, shock-proof, 7 feet, 1 meter, crush-proof, 100 kgf, freeze-proof, 14 degree Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, anti-fog. High-resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, TruePic 8, back illuminated CMOS image sensor. Variable macro system comprised of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 cm from the end of the lens. 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope, 3 underwater white balance modes. 4K movie and Full HD 120 FPS high-speed movies can be recorded. At number 1. The most versatile, unshakable hero camera ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swapping mounts takes just seconds, thanks to built-in folding fingers. And with the optional media mod, you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio and even another screen. There's also game-changing HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization with jaw-dropping slow-mo. Now it's easier to get the best view of whatever you're doing. Tap through 4 lenses, narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and super view. A radical enhancement to HyperSmooth. HyperSmooth 2.0 now has multiple levels of stabilization including boost and game-changing in-app horizon leveling. Crank up the contrast, kill the blur, and shred. The revamped algorithm delivers badass action shots with detail you never thought possible. Get that surreal time warp effect you love now with automatic speed selection. Or just tap to speed it up or slow it down. Streamlined design. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant. HyperSmooth 2.0, smooth just got smoother. Now Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization, on, high and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the widest views possible, or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. Plus, HyperSmooth 2.0 works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move through an activity. And now, Time Warp 2.0 automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. You can even slow down the effect to real time, savoring interesting moments, and then tap to speed it back up. Record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo, or an awesome shareable video. Vloggers, pro filmmakers, and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with quick loading accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens and more. Just add the optional media mod to up your capture game.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.